Sometimes the simplest topics are the most powerful. Talking about your daily routine may sound basic, but it helps you speak naturally and confidently.
Yes, and many English learners understand daily routine vocabulary, but they struggle to speak about it smoothly. Today, we will help you describe your day in clear and simple English.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your morning, your work, and your evening without hesitation.
So take a deep breath, relax, and imagine we are having a friendly conversation together.
Part 1. Morning Routine. Sophia, what time do you usually wake up on a normal weekday? I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning because I like to start my day early. Waking up early gives me quiet time before the day becomes busy. It helps me feel organized and calm.
I wake up around 7 o'clock most days, but sometimes I press the snooze button. The first thing I do is check the time and slowly get out of bed. I try not to rush because I don't like stressful mornings. A peaceful start makes a big difference for me.
After I wake up, I go to the bathroom and wash my face. Then I brush my teeth and take a quick shower. A shower helps me feel fresh and ready for the day. It wakes me up completely.
I usually make a cup of coffee after I get ready. While I drink my coffee, I think about my plans for the day. Sometimes I look at my phone, but I try not to spend too much time on it. I prefer to stay focused on my morning routine.
Breakfast is important for me because it gives me energy. I usually eat something simple like eggs or toast. I don't like heavy food in the morning. I try to eat healthy most days.
I agree with you about breakfast. I often eat fruit and yogurt because it is light and easy. If I have extra time, I prepare something special. But most days, I keep it simple.
Part 2. Work or study time. After breakfast, I start working at 9 a.m. I work from home so I don't need to travel. The first thing I do is check my emails. Then I look at my to-do list.
I work in an office, so I leave home around 8:30. Traffic can be busy, so I try to leave on time. When I arrive, I greet my colleagues and prepare my workspace. I like to organize my desk before I begin.
During the morning, I usually focus on important tasks. I try to finish difficult work before lunch. My energy is higher in the morning, so I use that time wisely.
That is a smart strategy. I also prefer to do important tasks early in the day. Meetings often take place in the late morning, so I plan my schedule carefully.
Around noon, I take a short break. I step away from my computer and stretch a little. Sometimes I go outside for fresh air. It helps me feel refreshed.
I usually have lunch with my coworkers. We talk about work and sometimes about personal topics. It is a good way to relax and connect. After lunch, I feel ready to continue working.
In the afternoon, I complete smaller tasks. I respond to messages and finish projects. Sometimes I feel tired, but I stay focused. I remind myself to stay productive.
The afternoon can feel slower for me, so I drink water or tea to stay active. I check my progress and update my plans. That keeps me organized until the end of the day.
Part 3. After work. After work, I like to change into comfortable clothes. It helps me separate work time from personal time. Sometimes I feel tired, but I try to stay active. I don't like to waste my evenings.
I understand that feeling. After a long day, I need a short break. I usually sit quietly for a few minutes. That helps me relax my mind.
A few days a week, I go to the gym. Exercise helps me reduce stress. It also improves my mood. I feel more positive afterward.
I prefer walking instead of going to the gym. I take a short walk near my house. Fresh air and movement help me think clearly. It is a simple but powerful habit.
When I return home, I prepare dinner. I enjoy cooking because it is creative. I try to cook healthy meals. It makes me feel responsible.
I sometimes cook, but not every day. If I feel tired, I order something simple. However, I try not to eat unhealthy food too often. Balance is important for me.
Part 4. Evening Routine. In the evening, I like to spend time reading. Reading helps me learn new ideas. It also improves my English. I try to read at least 20 minutes every day.
That is a great habit. I often watch educational videos or listen to podcasts. It is relaxing and useful at the same time. I enjoy learning in a comfortable way.
Sometimes I talk to my family or friends in the evening. We share stories about our day. It is nice to connect with people. It makes me feel supported.
Yes, conversations are important. I usually call my parents in the evening. We talk about simple things. These small moments mean a lot to me.
Before going to bed, I prepare for the next day. I check my schedule and set priorities. This habit reduces stress in the morning. Planning ahead is very helpful.
I also try to sleep on time. Good sleep improves my energy and focus. I avoid using my phone too much at night. It helps me fall asleep faster.
Speaking practice section. Now it is your turn to speak. Think about your own daily routine. What time do you wake up? What do you do first?
Now it is your turn to speak. Think about your own daily routine. What time do you wake up? What do you do first? Describe your morning in simple sentences, then talk about your work or study time. Finally, explain what you do in the evening. Take your time and speak clearly.
You do not need difficult vocabulary. Simple and clear sentences are enough. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Practice every day, even for 2 minutes. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Your daily routine is your best practice topic because it is real and familiar.
Talking about your daily routine builds confidence. It helps you think in English naturally. You already know your life. Now you just need the words.
Keep practicing and stay consistent. Fluency comes from repetition and courage. Small steps every day create big progress. We believe in you.
Thank you for listening to TwinTalk English.
We will see you in the next episode. Keep speaking and keep learning.